4 digits minus 1 digits 3. Your place is this one, so place your definite 100 to here. So start 1 divided by 3 is not possible, means you have to take 10 from here. So nearly is will divide 3 times. 1 to 2 rows left side, your answer is 3. 3 3s are 9. You have to reduce only 9 from this 10. Reduce that 10 and add 1 here and change your finger. Again 1 0 10, remaining 1 from here and it goes 10. One more time, your answer is 3. 1 to 2 rows left side, your answer 3 3s are 9. So reduce this one, add this 1 and again change, and 1 remaining from this 10 is goes to 12. Next time 1 to 12, 3 4 times. 1 to 2 rows left side, your answer 3 4s are 1 to 12. Okay, and we have our answer 3 3 4. Learn Abacus, visit my YouTube channel. Ta-ta.